Hey tech fans! Samsung's brand new Galaxy Z Fold 7, Flip 7, and Flip 7 FE just dropped, and they're already getting their first software update. Curious about what's next? Stick with GadInsider to find out. Samsung's pushing foldables to the mainstream with the Galaxy Z Fold 7, Flip 7, and the budget-friendly Flip 7 FE. Just days after launch, these devices are getting their first software updates. Let's break it down. Samsung's latest foldables are here and they're impressive. Galaxy Z Fold 7 rocks a refined book-style design with a smoother hinge, slimmer bezels, and tougher durability. The Flip 7 and Flip 7 FE bring compact, clamshell-style vibes, perfect for those who want style and portability. Announced, pre-ordered, and launched all within the last month, these devices are Samsung's bold move to make foldables the future of smartphones. So what's this update about? Samsung's rolling out firmware versions F966BXXS2AYGG for the Z Fold 7, F766BXXS2AYGD for the Flip 7, and F761BXXS2AYG5 for the Flip 7 FE. According to sources, these are small but critical patches, mostly focused on security. No big feature drops or design tweaks here. Samsung's just making sure your shiny new foldables lock down tight. Post-launch updates like these help Samsung spot and fix security gaps fast, keeping your device safe from day one. Don't expect flashy new features just yet. Samsung's confirmed that major One UI upgrades usually drop with their Galaxy S series. Even though foldables like these ship with the latest One UI builds, these early patches are all about stability and security, setting the stage for bigger updates down the road. It's Samsung's way of keeping your foldable running smoothly right out of the gate. These updates are live now for the Galaxy Z Fold 7, Flip 7, and Flip 7 FE just days after their launch. If you've got one of these foldables, check for the update. Samsung's moving fast to keep their latest devices secure and ready for the future of foldable tech. That's the latest on Samsung's first update for the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Flip 7 series. Got one of these foldables? Let us know in the comments. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell for more tech updates.